A Goose Creek man accused of killing two people, burying them in his backyard, could get out of jail on bond.
Today, a Berkeley County judge set bond for this man, James Loftus, at $250,000. Live 5's Megan Wallace was in court today where the wife of one of the victims spoke out. What she had to say, Megan?
That's right, Bill. She was very emotional, and the wife told the judge that she feared for her life if James Loftus was released from jail before his murder trial. Now, that wasn't enough. The judge did set bond today. Loftus is accused of shooting and killing two men at his Goose Creek home and then burning and burying their bodies in his backyard. According to the arrest affidavit, Loftus says that on March 5th, two men forced their way into his home on Pandora Drive, demanding money for a taxi ride. Loftus told Goose Creek police that he shot Guma Dubar and Cody Newland in self-defense. Loftus's lawyers tell me that they plan to use that argument under the Castle Doctrine, which gives a person the right to use deadly force and protect themselves inside their home. Now, I asked his attorney why Loftus didn't call police, but instead allegedly buried those bodies. Here's what he said.
What he said to everybody, including the police, has been, I had the phone in my hand, I was going to call, and I freaked out. What happened afterwards is heinous. It's not, there's nothing good about it. But what he did before that was protect his home.
Now, if he does bond out of jail, Loftus will be on house arrest and not allowed to leave unless going to work, his lawyer's office, or church. No trial date has yet been set. Reporting live in the control room, I'm Megan Wallace, Live 5 News.
All right, Megan, there's a lot of misinformation about the Castle Doctrine, so we want to help break it down for you. The law states you have the right to use deadly force to protect yourself if someone else is illegally forcing entry into your home or your vehicle while you're inside it. But the law does not apply if you invited somebody in or if somebody was invited in and then you kicked them out. It also doesn't apply if you're doing something illegal inside your home when the incident occurs.